The arrest of former President Rodrigo Duterte and his transfer to the International Criminal Court or ICC in the Netherlands has sparked strong reactions, with former Senator Antonio Trillanes IV expressing hope for justice as he believes it brings a sense of relief to the families of those allegedly victimized by EJK or the extrajudicial killings during Duterte's administration. Meanwhile, Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa finally broke his silence and firmly denied claims that he went into hiding. PTV's Daniel Malalastas tells us more.
For former Senator Antonio Trillanes IV, he is happy for the families of alleged victims of extrajudicial killings under the time of former President Rodrigo Duterte, as the former president has already been placed under the International Criminal Court's custody.
Ngayon po, ito naman ay talagang natuldukan po kahit papano ang isang napakahabang biyahe, pagkikipaglaban po para sa karapatan po ng mga kababayan natin at sa papanagutin ang mga nagkasala na mga leader ng ating bayan.
But next thing to watch out for are the Duterte's co-accused and when the possible issuance of arrest warrant from the ICC will happen.
Hindi natin alam yan, pero sa tansya ko mga ilang buwan pa bago lumabas yan. Inuna nila siguro muna, binigyan nila ng prioridad, kaya ganon. Pero ano yan kasi pag titignan mo yung gravity of the offense, magkaparehas ang role ni Bato at ni Digong.
Trillanes also has this message for Duterte.
Itong kay Duterte, ang mensahe ko ay gamitin niya itong mga panahon na ito na magnilay-nilay, tanggapin niya yung pagkakasala niya at i-purify niya yung kaluluwa niya kasi kailangan niya yan para mas matanggap niya yung kanyang kapalaran. Nasa kanila yan.
Okay.
Pero syempre, it will be a bad look for the Senate.
Meanwhile, Senator Ronald De La Rosa, who is also being implicated in the ICC case, denied that he went into hiding and explained why he was missing in action at the height of Duterte's arrest.
Hindi ko natatakot. Bundok ng Surigao at Agusan.
Hindi nga, sir.
Nagkampanya ako sa mga bundok-bundok ng Surigao at Agusan. Pinatay ko ang phone ko dahil busy kami doon sa pag-asikaso ng yung aming petition. Kasi kung dami tumatawag, mahirapan kami. Kaya nagrarally kami. Hinahabol namin yung petition namin.
For PTV Manila, Daniel Malalastas, Balitang Pambansa.